Yeah, back at Exeter College again for the second time. At least it's not raining this time. Yeah, because unbeknownst to me, yes, this was the spot where Morse fell in his last episode. But this was also Tolkien's college. Mixing Morse and Tolkien here. Yeah, this is the chapel where Morse stumbles out of and then falls about the middle part here. But yeah, this was where Tolkien actually went to university. So I'll try to be inconspicuous here if I can. How funny, I sat over on the opposite side the last time I was here. So, get some photos from the different angles this time. So how funny. Roughly where that couple is where Morse fell with his heart attack, and then he was taken to the John Radcliffe where he died in the Morse series. So yeah, but it's amazing to think that Tolkien studied here, that's for sure. So yeah, I'll just do a quick walk around and then I'll go. Oh. Yeah, at least it's not raining this time. Yeah, literally just finished as it had finished raining here, so yeah. I better get going before I get in trouble, because I'm not sure if visitors are allowed in here today or not. So, yep. So probably about here. Bye.